Hello. This video is to introduce smart home and recent smart home technologies and applications. Let's begin. Have you ever imagined owning a house like Tony Stark in Iron Man? With super powerful AI named Jarvis, the house will help you do anything you want. The truth is that nowadays there's wonderful technology named smart home that can make this come true. However, you cannot have Jarvis at all. A smart home is one that's controlled by a group of connected devices. These devices work together to control things like temperature, lighting, security, and entertainment. Most smart homes are controlled from a remote or phone. And smart homes ensures you save electricity and reduce your powers and water bills, which means you don't only get the convenience but also you can save your living bills. The concept of smart home originated very early, first appearing in the United States. In 1984, the term smart house was coined by the American Association of Home Builders. Then in 1990s, Simon Hackett created a toaster connected to and controlled from the internet. The Internet of Things was born, although it would take another people 9 years to contribute to the term. And also in the 1990s, one interesting thing is that was Bill Gates who made the smart home very famous on the world. Xanadu 2.0, Bill Gates' home made of recycled glass and Douglas fir, was completed in 1997 at a cost of $63 million over 7 years and filled with cutting-edge smart home technology. Throughout the 2000s, smart devices and systems have been evolving in a rapid pace. It is estimated by 2012 there were already 1.5 million automated home systems in place. And for recent years, engineering is trying to combine all these systems to bring us a different future. Then we will show you some of these technologies and products. There's a new need has recently emerged. As the population ages, we need new more policies, systems, and technologies for supporting healthy aging. Because aging may cause gradual physical decay, which increases the dependency on other people, ambient assisted living technologies consider the actual lives of the elderly. It can determine the wellness of an elderly person living independently in their home, as well as construct a healthy residential environment. Ambient assisted living provides a system comprising of smart devices, medical sensors, wireless networks, computer and software applications for healthcare monitoring to improve wellness and health conditions of older adults. It can be developed by very different technologies, such as the combinations of Internet of Things devices and sensor networks, so that everyday objects can be identifiable. For example, it can monitor the presence of objects on cookers and the liquid level in the pots to increase safety when the elderly use kitchen appliances. It also requires data collections and statistical analysis of the acquired data by some threshold-based methods. Like for wearable sensors are support to continuous monitoring behavioral data and health status for the elderly, and trigger alerts when dangerous events in daily behavior such as inability to stand up and loss of consciousness are detected. However, privacy concerns as a key barrier in AAL technology development. A continuous health monitoring may raise concerns about privacy and loss of control, especially at home. The protection of sensitive data also needs to be considered more in the future studies. Wireless sensor networks is one of the technology which is widely used in smart homes. It refers to networks of specially dispersed and dedicated sensors that monitor and record the physical conditions of the environment and forward the collected data to a central location. By applying wireless sensor networks, we can easily gather environmental measurement data such as temperature, humidity, which are collected by the different sensor nodes. Compared to traditional sensors, the sensors used in wireless sensor networks are usually small, inexpensive, with limited processing and computer science resource. At the same time, smart sensor nodes are low-power devices. Furthermore, based on a reliable communication protocol stack, each node can communicate to the base station in an efficient way. However, there are still many limitations and constraints in WSNs currently, such as the limited amount of energy, short communication range, low bandwidth, and limited processing and storage. With different kinds of applications are needed in various circumstances, WSNs are designed variously based on the requirements and features of the applications. In smart homes, WSNs should be focused more on the development of communication protocols, human experience design, decision making, in order to cater to human requirements. Hargreaves and Wilson investigated many smart home applications and divided them into 5 different categories: domestic comfort, convenience, security, leisure, and reducing energy use. The part will provide the further details about each application. Domestic comfort is one of the main reasons that users choose smart homes. In the last decade or so, many hospitals have implemented smart sensors to control the temperature, ventilation, and cooling in hospital rooms, which can ensure patient comfort for each individual. In fact, different patients may have different requirements about their domestic conditions, so the AI will monitor the current condition and automatically change the environment based on the patient's needs. Apart from this, domestic comfort also plays an important role in our family house. A company called Nuki provides different components, including lamps, heating control systems, speakers, sockets, fridge, stoves, coffee machines, smoke detectors, humidity sensors, and door locks to improve the family domestic condition. Convenience is another reason why users choose smart home device. Users can save time from unnecessary chores. People do not need to worry about when to use the air conditioner or when to turn on the stove. Everything can be properly prepared for the predefined time, or use AI to control IoT devices. Moreover, users do not care about some inconvenience that usually happen within traditional home devices. For example, people may accidentally forget the position of the air conditioning controller, but if they choose to use smart home devices, they do not need to even care about the position, because devices are controlled by smartphones or the background processing AI. Security, unlike other factors, is for specific use in smart home applications. For instance, hospitals use cameras that allow security managers in hospitals to continuously keep an eye on surgery rooms, psychiatric wards, and other sensitive areas so that security breaches or attacks can be snuffed out of the way before they take place. For personal use, smart homes also provide a monitoring system, alarm system, safe deposit systems, and so forth. Using mobile phones and remote control, you can put hot water before going home, so you can take a bath without waiting when you are home. You can also remotely control all electrical appliances in the house, such as turning on the air conditioner and turning on the air conditioner before returning home from work, so that the whole house would be cool after get off work. You can also control home appliances by voice, send instructions to coffee machine to make coffee, turn on the TV, and so on. This kind of smart home life sounds very pleasant. In the past, people could only roughly estimate the power consumption of home appliances based on their rated power. With smart home, users can see the power consumption of various electrical appliances doing work and stand by from their mobile phones or tablet computers and make scientific overall plans to achieve reasonable control of household energy. So, what will smart home look like in the future? Scholars have given a potential solution. Here, I'm introducing smart meters. By collecting and analyzing data of the house electricity usage, with the local area electricity unit cost and other factors that may influence the energy consumptions, to automatically provide the most optimal solution of the system. Under the smart meter system, the usage of the smart home devices will be customized and exactly match the smart idea of smart home, but also serve the issue of energy consumption to a large extent in the future. This is all I'm introducing for today. Thank you for listening.